There's a wave of excitement in Karpuri Gram in Bihar's Samastipur district. The village, once home to India's socialist icon and champion of the poor, Karpuri Thakur, is being decked up to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This will be the first time in 63 years that a Prime Minister is visiting the village. Union Minister Ramnath Thakur, Karpuri Thakur's son, says the Prime Minister will be welcomed in true Mithila fashion. The feast will include local delicacies like bachka, dahi chura, dal puri and makhana kheer.
चुनाव में इनके आने के बाद गति प्रदान हो जाए, वर्कर प्रफुल्लित हो जाएंगे, हौसले बढ़ जाएंगे और एनडीए गठबंधन के उम्मीदवार का जिस स्तर पर प्रचार होना है उससे ज्यादा स्तर पर प्रचार होगा.
Prime Minister Modi will pay floral tributes at the Karpuri Thakur Memorial, visit the exhibition showcasing his simple lifestyle, from his humble hut and clay stove to the traditional siloti used for grinding spices. A glimpse into the life of the man who defined Bihar's politics of simplicity and social justice. After the homage, the Prime Minister will address a massive public rally at the Dudhpura airfield, expected to set the tone for the battle in the state's first phase of polls.
जननायक जो अन्याय के खिलाफ लड़ता है.
Jan Nayak has become a big political flashpoint this election season. The BJP has accused Rahul Gandhi and the Congress of trying to steal the title.
कुछ लोग खुद को स्व घोषित जननायक कहते हैं. ये मैं मानता हूँ कर्पूरी जी की त्याग, तपस्या, उनकी सामाजिक राजनीति के प्रति अपमान है. ये अवहेलना है. ये लोग माफी मांगना चाहिए. स्व घोषित जननायक नहीं, कर्पूरी ठाकुर जी भारत की गरीबों की जननायक थे.
For Karpuri Gram, the Prime Minister's visit is more than a political stop. It's a moment of pride, remembrance and inspiration as the Prime Minister salutes the legacy of the Jan Nayak who gave voice to the voiceless. Prime Minister Modi's visit to Karpuri Gram is being seen not just as a tribute to Bihar's socialist icon, but also as a symbolic outreach to the state's roots of social justice, a message that could resonate strongly in this election season. NDTV Bureau Report.